When it comes to choosing a gaming laptop, there are plenty of options out there. However, not all gaming laptops are created equal. Some offer better performance, while others offer better portability or battery life. With so many factors to consider, picking the right gaming laptop for you can be challenging. We've compiled a list of the best gaming laptops that excel in various aspects, helping you make an informed decision. Let's now explore the top choices in the gaming laptop market.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Let's talk about the Asus ROG Strix G14. When we first powered on it, we were impressed by its cutting-edge specifications, including the newest Intel i9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPU configuration options. Once we dove into gaming, the CPU excelled, effortlessly handling everything thrown its way. The RTX 40 series GPU also delivered incredibly fluid frame rates, even at maximum settings in graphically intense games. But raw speed wasn't the only highlight. The 16-inch QHD display with a 240Hz mini LED backlight provided truly stunning visuals with its bright, vivid colors and razor-sharp details. Its stunning display heightened our playtime, providing an extra layer of comfort. It was a great portable gaming device because it had a lot of power and amazing graphics. Even after marathon gameplay, the capable cooling system kept temperatures low, while the durable magnesium alloy chassis held up perfectly to everyday use and travel. Utilizing its 90 watt-hour battery, we got over 5 hours of gameplay on a lone charge before requiring a recharge. Next up, powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700HX processor and NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics, it delivers elite performance for gaming and creative work. Its 18 inches FHD plus 480Hz display with NVIDIA G-Sync provides an incredibly fluid and responsive experience. The advanced Cryotech vapor chamber cooling keeps the system running fast and smooth even during marathon gameplay. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCIe SSD storage, it has ample capacity for games, media, and projects. Connectivity is handled by Wi-Fi 6E and plenty of ports including USB 3.2, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and more. The RGB backlit keyboard and large touchpad are highly responsive. And the premium build includes Alien FX lighting with 16.8 million color options for a customized look. Weighing just 8.9 pounds, it packs portable quality with long battery life and an exceptional display into a durable yet compact frame. Coming up next is the Acer Nitro 5, delivering solid 1080p gaming performance at an affordable price. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics, it reliably pushes high frame rates in the latest games at medium to high settings. The 16-inch 2560 by 1600 IPS display impresses with vibrant colors and a silky smooth 165Hz refresh rate for immersive gameplay. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCIe SSD storage, it has ample capacity for games and media. The minimalist design fits anywhere with a responsive RGB backlit keyboard and large trackpad. Multiple USB 3.2 ports, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth provide great connectivity. Weighing just 5.95 pounds, the Nitro 5 packs severe quality into a portable frame with a battery life of up to 4 hours for on-the-go gaming. Overall, it delivers an exceptional and great performance at a budget-friendly price point. Up next, weighing just 3.5 pounds, the incredibly portable 14-inch ROG Zephyrus G14 packs substantial power into its compact magnesium alloy frame. It integrates the latest AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics that can handle demanding games smoothly, even at high settings while on the go. The bright 14-inch 165Hz QHD Plus display provides an immersive experience with vivid colors and slim bezels. With 32GB of speedy DDR5 RAM and a massive 4TB PCIe SSD, it has ample capacity for games, media, and creative workloads. The customizable LED lid matrix and meticulously optimized thermals ensure excellent utility without limiting performance. With up to 10 hours of battery life, true all-day portability is achieved. Overall, the Zephyrus G14 integrates desktop-caliber components into an ultra-portable form factor that punches above its weight for power users seeking maximum performance in a compact chassis. Coming up to the next one, the precision CNC-machined aluminum unibody of the Razer Blade 15 justifies its premium yet fair price with innovative functionalities. Configurable with up to an NVIDIA RTX 4060 GPU, it readily tackles modern games with smooth frame rates at 1440p resolution on the 15-inch display. Vibrant forests in Horizon Zero Dawn and hellish landscapes in Doom Eternal pop, with lifelike fidelity, silky animations, and vivid colors even during frantic firefights. Surprisingly portable at just 0.7 inches thin and 4.7 pounds, it pairs uncompromising gaming power with everyday commuting convenience. This laptop has an Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, and Windows 11 Home, assuring flawless multitasking and lightning-fast data access. With an 80 watt-hour battery, around 5 hours of gaming is possible on a single charge. Though an investment, its construction and engineering provide bespoke high-end gameplay. Moving to the expansive 18-inch display on the Alienware M18 provides an enormously immersive visual experience. With FHD plus resolution and a super smooth 480Hz refresh rate, gameplay and media are magnificently detailed and engrossing. Powering the large display is a 13th Gen 16-core Intel processor and NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics that smoothly run demanding games. With 4800 mHz DDR5 RAM and a massive 4TB PCIe SSD, it has a generous capacity for games, media, and multitasking. The polished art movement, pleasing with customizable RGB lighting, enables personalization. Connectivity is provided by Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and plenty of USB ports. Despite the energy-intensive components, battery life reaches over 4 hours for portable gaming. In general, it combines desktop-class power with an incredible display in a processed and customizable design. Finally, the powerful 15.6-inch Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 8 delivers elite gaming performance in a portable package. It packs Intel's latest 13th Gen Y 913900HX processor and NVIDIA's cutting-edge GeForce RTX 4080 graphics that can smoothly run even the most demanding games at high emplacements. The vibrant 16-inch 2560 by 1600 IPS display with 240Hz refresh rate offers an immersive and responsive viewing. With a generous 32GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB PCIe SSD, it has a wide-cut capacity for games, media, and creative workloads. The minimalist matte black design fits anywhere with a backlit keyboard and HD camera. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.1, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and plenty of USB ports provide great connectivity. Despite the powerful components, the advanced Legion cold front cooling system keeps it running fast. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, the Legion Pro 7 packs extraordinary performance into a surprisingly portable frame. It's an ideal choice for gamers and power users seeking a lightweight gaming laptop with elite desktop-class power. In the end, the ideal gaming laptop depends on your needs. We believe that our chosen option contributes to your decision-making process.